Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In case you're actually new here, you can just subscribe to the channel so when I post the latest update you can also get it. Well, today we're gonna be talking about how you can actually create a Google AdMob account and how you can create your banner ID, your interstitial ID, reward video ID and native ID. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Okay, so before we start, you just have to open your browser as I've opened mine, and then you go here, you type in Google AdMob. Okay, so type in Google AdMob, here, AdMob, Google AdMob. This is it, yeah, Google AdMob, and then you come all the way here. Click on this. Okay, so you click on Google AdMob. Once you're here, click on Get Started. So we click on Get Started, and then we click on Use Another Account. So we will go click on this one. So you will type in your email, okay, your Google email or any other email, your Google email address. Okay, so I will type in my okay, type in your email address. Okay, your email address, click on this, then you type in your password. Okay, here, a password. So I'm going to type mine in, and then when you are done, you click on sign next. Okay, so go next. Okay, so not now. Not now. Okay, so now we have created our Google AdMob account. So here you have to select our country, select our time zone and our billing currency. Okay, so select my country. Right now I'm in Ghana, so I'm searching for Ghana, but you can choose wherever that you are in the world. So here is Ghana. That's Ghana. So I'm click on Ghana, and I'll use my country time zone. Okay, so in Ghana it's 000 UTC. Okay, I'll use Accra. You see, Accra. Here, this is my country's capital town here. So I choose Accra. And for the currency, you can use any currency. Okay, I'm in Ghana, so I would like to choose Ghana cedis, or you can actually use US dollar. Okay, for the sake of this video, I'll use US dollars since US dollars is acceptable in every part of the world. Okay, so you will click on this accept terms. You will click on it, and then from there you click on create AdMob account. Okay, so you click on it, and right here it takes us to this new page. it says a confirmation email has been sent to your email address. It contains tips to get you started with Admob. Okay, so here what it's basically trying to say is that it will be sent, if you would want it to be sending you offers, surveys and tips on how to use your Google AdMob account. So we will choose all yes. Okay, I'm talking about this side. We choose all of it to be yes. Okay, so yes, 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 and next it says verify your account. Yeah. Okay, so what we'll be doing is right here we will type in our phone number, and here we choose text message. Okay, and then when we are done we will choose continue. Okay, so we have to type in our phone number 223. Okay, and then we will choose continue. Okay, so we will receive a pin on our phone. Okay, so then you will type in the pin here. This is where you will type in the pin. Okay, so I've received my pin. My pin is 729222, and I will click on verify here. So this is my verify. Click on it, verify. It says thank you for verifying your phone number. We will find a few checks to make sure that your account is ready to show us. This will take 24 hours, but can sometimes take longer. Meanwhile, you can continue to use your Admob account. So we will click on continue. Yeah, this. Click continue to Admob. Okay, so we have been successfully created our Admob account. So guys, now we have an Admob account. Okay, so as I said, I will also show you how to create your reward video IDs and banner IDs to integrate it into your apps to make money. Okay, that's the purpose of this video, right? So without wasting much time, let's get into it. So this is where we will click get started. Okay, so we are waiting. Okay, so I will zoom in. We will choose our platform. Yeah, we will choose our platform. This but we will choose Android because we'll be using Android. So choose Android, and then here this side it's asking us whether our app is listed on App Store or Google Play Store. Because we don't have our app on App Store, we will choose no. Okay, so no, and then you click on continue. Yeah, so continue. So we have to give our app a name. This is where we will name our app. So for the purpose of this this video, let's name it app 1. Yeah, and then we choose add app. Okay, add app. Click on add app. See, you've successfully added app 1. So now we have to create our ad units. Okay, that's the where this is the unit that we'll be adding to our apps to make money. Okay, so we click on done. Okay, so done. So next we will have to click on add unit. So we are going to create our first ad unit. Just add unit. So here what we are basically going to do is to select the type of ad that we want, either banner, interstitial, reward interstitial, or reward video. So for the purpose of this video, we will be creating banner, interstitial, and reward. Okay, reward video. So without wasting much time, for the first thing we will choose this one. Okay, so you click on select, and then you have to give it a name. So I will name, you can give it any other name, but I will name it banner 1. Okay, and then you click on create add unit. So okay, so this is our add unit ID. Okay, it's our add unit ID. This is the ID that we will integrate it into our apps to make money, for Google to show ads on our apps to make money. Okay, so we will click on done. Okay, so this is the ID that we just created, our add unit that we just created. Okay, so as I said, we'll be creating interstitial and reward video. So without wasting much time, we will just click on add unit. So if you want to add another ad to your account, to your apps here, you click on add unit. Then because we have banner already, we want to create interstitial, we will select interstitial. Yeah, this one, interstitial, select. Okay, so as usual, the ad name. Okay, so you type in, let's say int 1 here. Okay, let's say int 2, and create add unit. Okay, so add unit, and then that is our interstitial add unit number or ID that we will integrate it into our app. So as we are done, we click on done. Yeah, this done. And then we will create our last ID unit. As usual, add unit, and this time around we will select reward interstitial. Yeah, just select, and we will choose our ad name. Let's name it reward. Okay, and then here, this side, it says enter amount, right? It says enter reward amount, so you can enter any amount. I will choose I'll go with 5, and then we click on create add unit. Again, this is our add unit. Yeah, ID that we will copy. Okay, click on done. So we are done with creating our ad unit. So this is how to create a Google AdMob account, and to create banners to integrate ad units to integrate into your account or your apps to make money. Yeah, so one will be asking, how do I copy? So you click on the banner. That's our banner ID. Click on it, and then as you can see, this is the banner. This is the details of it, the ID and the name. The name is banner 1. The format, the type of the ad is banner, and the ID unit of the banner is this here. Okay, so you can copy it and paste it anywhere that you want. Okay, anywhere that you want. So same applies to interstitial, and same applies to the reward. Okay, so guys, this brings us to the end of this video. In our next video, I will show you how to add this ad unit into your app and then make money. And then I will also make a video about how to create an Android app without coding. So if you really like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel so that whenever I upload any other video or I make update on this video, you will get it. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you next time. Thank you.